30 miles to move on quickly, goodness me. Engineering skills, which that man clearly has. Anything goes wrong?
I won it last weekend at pub, come back.
I bet the return journey was easier.
A bit faster.
It's still a showman's engine with a twisted brass support and the roof which goes all the way to the end. A burrow. Going. Who built it? Me. And if I wanted to buy one now, in this condition, brand new, how much would it cost me?
Brand new, it varies, but there is a company that markets it to buy something.
The man from Hartlepool, you can't hold it against them. But again, another man with it, that's not a comfortable driving position, is it?
No, definitely not.
You should get one of them.
No, I'm going to build a bigger one.
Oh, you're going to build a bigger one, this is a 4-inch scale. Lincoln, another Foster. Good to see these little engines, they're still coming in. 4-inch Fowler, good answer, a good answer. And what's the name of the dog?
Pippa.
Pippa, behave yourself. Another burrow. Did you build it?
Yes.
How long?
3 years.
So you can get the castings, you can get the drawings, go into a shed and come out 3 years. Yours and your dad's, but you're driving it.
Yeah. It wheelies if he drives.
He's not that big, is he?
Yeah.
So where'd you get it from? Who built it?
A man in Doncaster built it. It was finished in 2019.
And when was the first miniature built? Oh no. It's only, 60 years ago, but people can't remember when miniatures first came on. Something like 64. Right. And good to see you've got the stack extension.
Yep.
And why is that useful?
Work on the line.
And what's your name?
Elsie.
And your name? Emily. And the dog's name is?
Ted.
Ted. Ted. Oh. Is it broken or it's never been fixed?
It is working, it just needs to wait for a few more parts.
A few more parts. Like coal. 6-inch scale. Burrow. It looks big enough, doesn't it? It'll do. And this is based on what? A Massey Ferguson. Right, what's driving it? Coal. So it's unique.
Yeah.
Only one in the world.
Pardon? No, there's actually...
Good answer. Just in case the feds are watching. A steam wagon towing a Brown and May general purpose engine. Reverse up. Get it. This pull.
I pulled a full-size engine.
That will do. Which one is the full-size engine? Come back a bit, listener's position. Or you're about to give birth. Ronnie, be ready.